Charlotte, I'm going to show you some letters and I want you to give me the sounds.
Yeah, and E, S, J, W, Z, K, F,
You're fast.
A, I, P, T, B, D, O, G, E, Q, X.
Excellent. That was really fast. Charlotte, now this time I'm going to say the sound. I want you to repeat it and then write it. Okay? Shuffle these up a bit. Couldn't hear anything. Good. And Charlotte, if you write something that you don't want, just put one nice neat line through it like that, okay? Say y.
Yeah.
Good job. Good, and let's go right across this way to this red line, and then we'll go back to this red line, okay? T.
T.
R.
R.
S. Good, let's come back over here. J.
J.
Good, that does say J. Do you know another way to spell J?
D, G, E.
Good, you know that one too. Go ahead and write that one. And you know one more way to spell J. Excellent. Do you know which one of these is your first choice that's used the most in our language? Actually, this one.
Oh.
Okay. Next, say, I think we did that one. D. Over here. Repeat it for me.
D.
Good job. W.
W.
Z.
Z.
L.
L.
G. Oh, and that's a nice capital. Can you make a lowercase? Perfect. Say G.
G.
E.
E.
Read back to me what you wrote.
U. E.
What does this say?
It says A.
Good proofreading. Ah, did I say ah or eh?
E.
Good job. One nice neat line. Perfect. Perfect. Let's write that one down here 3 more times and say
E. E. E.
Good. And Emily, when you see this, I want you to think of this straight line right here, as the straight line here, this edge. Can you say edge?
Edge.
Good. Now say edge without the j.
Edge.
Without the j.
E.
Good. Good. So when you make that edge, then you go like that. All right? Very good. K. Right here. K. Good. You know another way to spell K. Good. Good. Do you know where you use this spelling?
In a short word, in a short vowel, you spell CK.
That's right. After a short vowel, one short vowel, you use this one. So you know one more way to spell K. Good. And do you know which one of those is used the most in spelling for our language? Yes. That one one's used the most. Say, good job.
Huh.
Just no voice.
Oh.
Good job. Qua.
Qua.
What always goes with that letter? Good job. X. A.
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 I.
I.
A.
A.
B.
B.
Read back what you wrote.
Ba.
Let's.
Oh.
You
I
did
mean the.
very good. Very good. Take your hands and go like this. Good. You notice the shape of this letter? What letter is this?
It's a D. I mean a B.
Good. Good. When you say the alphabet, you go A, B, C, D. Okay? So this one is in the shape of what?
A B.
A B, and this one is in the shape of a
D.
D. Now show me which hand matches that one. Good job. So let's put one nice neat line through that. Good. And write B 3 times and say it.
Ba. Ba. Ba.
Excellent. Very good. All right. So now we're going to read some make-believe words. Go ahead.
Yap.
And what is it?
Yip.
Excellent.
Rip. Sip.
Like in September?
Tip. I mean sip. Sip.
Good job.
Jet. Jet.
Very good.
Zit.
Is that a real word?
Mm-hmm.
Can you use it in a sentence?
I took my dog to the vet.
Excellent sentence.
Them. Wham. Wum. Lum. Come. Fum. Fam.
Excellent.
Fad. Han. Can.
Would that be your first choice for spelling can?
Mm-mm.
Which one is used the most?
C.
Excellent. Excellent. How about that one?
Zan.
Mm-hmm.
Zag. Zig.
Mm-hmm.
Zix.
Mm-hmm.
Kicks.
Mm-hmm.
Kicks.
Mm-hmm.
Kib.
Kib. And what would this say if I did that?
Kibe.
Excellent.
Quid. Quid. Quib. Quibe.
Excellent.
Quab. Quobe.
Nice job. Perfect. All right. So today we're going to play a bit of a game, and we're going to review our syllable types. So, and the three that we're going to work on are closed. This stands for closed. This stands for open. And this stands for silent E. Okay? And if you look at this little card, this, you notice how the door is closed? When the door is closed, what does that vowel say?
Just ah.
Good job. But if I open the door up and the vowel's on the end, what does it say?
Oh, so that's no.
Good job. And if I put a silent E out here at the end, what does it
It's
say?
not.
Well, if you put
Note.
excellent. If you put this E out here, it's going to give all the power back to this letter, and he's going to say its name. So note. So let's see if you can decide, and we'll just play this for a short time. You draw a card, and you tell me what the card says, and you tell me if it's closed, open, or silent E.
This, it's a closed syllable.
Good. So you put yours there, and I'm going to, mine is which, and I have a closed syllable. Your turn. The first one of us to get one in each space wins.
To each space.
Mm-hmm.
Shine.
Mm-hmm.
That's a open syllable.
Show me the pattern on here. If yours looks like this, or like that, or like that. You show me on here what you think.
It looks like this.
Ah, so what kind of a syllable is that? How many vowels are in a closed syllable?
3.
Well, your vowels are,
4.
the vowels are just A, E, I, O, and U. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So this only has one vowel, right?
Mm-hmm.
And mine only has one vowel. So in a closed syllable, you only have one vowel. Do you have both an I and an E in yours? Then it can't be closed.
It has to be open.
Well, if it's open, an open only has how many vowels?
And it has to be a silent E.
Excellent job. Good job. Oh, goodness, I have 2. I have B and side. Since you have a silent E, I think I'm going to go with a silent E. Your turn.
Sut and bent.
Oh, let's take a look at that again. You have this syllable. Does this syllable look, how many vowels are in this syllable?
1.
1. Okay. Now, where is that one vowel? Is it
At the end.
So what kind of a syllable is this?
An open syllable.
And you win. Very good. Nice job. So, tell me what you remember about a closed syllable.
It only has it has a consonant that both consonants are trapping it.
Ah, so that it has one consonant closing in the vowel, right?
Mm-hmm.
Tell me what you remember about an open syllable.
The open syllable doesn't have any consonant right here.
Excellent, excellent. And what do you remember about silent E?
It makes the A say its name.
Makes that first vowel say its name. Very good. Thank you very much, Charlotte.